Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a macrame round decor. The materials that I'll be using is a 5.5-inch diameter circle and 3mm cord. I started out by cutting 105 pieces of 12-inch of cord, and then I took the cord and wrapped it around the circle 3 times. Later on you're going to see why. I started out by taking the piece that I wrapped the circle 3 times. One end of that cord is going to measure 6 inches and the other one is going to be the longest side. That long side of the cord is the one that we'll be using to make the rows around the circle. When I finished measuring that long cord, one side 6 inches, I wrap the cord with the circle, making a large head knot, as you can see here. And then I took all my pieces that measure 12 inch, I folded in half and make large head knot all around the circle. That way I'll be wrapping the whole circle with the cord. As you can see now, all the cords around the circle should measure 6 inches. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that first cord that I wrapped the circle with, the long one, the long side, I'm going to pull it to my right, and then I'm going to take the next cord to the side, which will measure 6 inch, and make a half hitch knot. Now you're going to repeat the same step over and over again. You're going to hold the long side of the cord, the first one that we installed, to your right, and then you're going to be taking the other pieces that measure 6 inches and make the half hitch knot, and then you go all around the circle. Remember, pulling the longest cord to the side. You're not going to do anything with that long side of the cord, just hold it. Here I already reached my end part of the first row, as you can see here. Now I'll keep going around it. Here you can see the sequence when I started my second row around the circle. Here you can see I did my third row around the circle, and now I also included a fourth row. So what I'm going to do here at the end of it, I'm going to make a half hitch knot, but I'm going to do it twice on that same piece of cord. That way I can secure the last piece of cord. Now I'm going to fringe the cord all around the circle. This part is a little time consuming. As you can see here, I cut the cords 12 inches. That way when you fold it in half, it measures 6 inches. You can do it shorter if you prefer. I just do it that way because it's easier to manage. Now I'm going to do here is I'm going to start cutting the cord so it's easier for me when I start fringing all the cords around the circle. Here is the final product of fringing the cord. And final step, after fringing all the cords, I'm going to cut the cords shorter all around the circle. There's different ways that you can use this. You can hang it on a wall or just put it on top of a surface. Well guys, hope you liked this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Have a good day everyone.